Hello everyone, and welcome to the University of Arizona Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine. I'm Dr. Stephen Dahmer. I'm the director of the Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine, and I'm a physician. I'm also a scientist and a teacher as well. Integrative medicine is a whole person approach to our health. We integrate the best of all available modalities, and we treat a patient from mind perspective, a body perspective, and even a spirit perspective. We believe all of these are important in our overall health. And Dr. Andrew Weil, as the founder of our center and of integrative medicine, has established methods to teach this to clinicians like myself so we can approach medicine and clinical care through the lens of integrative medicine. We treat each individual as a person, and we don't always just treat symptoms and disease. We try to do things in your lifestyle that can help prevent disease in the long term. And we approach it from a fun perspective whereby things like the arts and the food that you eat and your social connections, your friends, are just as important to your health as some of the medications I might prescribe as a physician. To reach this point in my career, it's been a very long and winding path. Along my path, I've been so blessed to have incredible people that showcased good ways of practicing medicine. From the University of Wisconsin, I learned from Dr. David Rakel and went on to residency in New York City, where I learned from Dr. Ben Kliegler, as well as doing the fellowship, the same fellowship that we offer here at the center, reinforced my ideas about what good medicine is. As a physician, you have to be a consummate reader and a learner. I am constantly in a book. I am never tired of picking up the next book to read more and more. As I've evolved in my career, we then have to take all of that information that we've absorbed and we've been so privileged to have access to and communicate that to others. You know, if I were to have advice for you right now is learn how to learn. Be curious. Constantly reevaluate that question, add more curiosity to it, and make sure that that curiosity is genuine. Follow those things that you have a true curiosity for, because that will fuel your entire career. And as you evolve, that curiosity then has to be tempered with critical thinking. Critical thinking is such an essential point of our training that allows us to absorb that incredible information and so many things that have come before, yet decisively think on what might be a next better step for all of us. If you have a passion and an interest in something, follow that curiosity. Don't stop. Keep going. There's going to be resources that are available. Dig into those resources. Learn about that. Go to your local library. Pick up a book and start to learn as much as you can. Apply it in your own life. The next step, I think, is probably one of the most important, and that is find people that you trust, that you can run ideas by, that you can learn from, and never be afraid to do cold outreach. Find those mentors and reach out to them without fear, because they're oftentimes an email or a phone call away. Listen to your teachers, respect others, others respect you. When you think you can't, you can. You can go far beyond where you think that you can go. And probably the most important is have fun. And I think we don't talk about that enough. Our work should be fun. Our lives should be fun. And if it's not imbued with fun, and we're having a smile during the day, or sharing a joke with somebody else, or having some inside jokes between one another, you're not living life fully.